Hello friends, my name is Vakar. I create a YouTube channel that name is Excel Learning Series. First of all, I will tell you please subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get notification of my new video. So before I start the channel Excel Learning Series, first of all I will tell you how to download Microsoft Office, because Microsoft Office is necessary for learning Excel. In Excel Learning Series, I will tell you step by step about Excel. First of all, I will tell you how to use Excel tools. Then step by step we go to advanced side, in which I tell you about formulas of Excel and professional Excel tips and trick. So before start we will go to Google Chrome. Here I tell you how you can download registered Microsoft Office. So first of all, open Google Chrome. I will click on Google Chrome. My system is a little bit slow, so it will take some times to open. There are so many websites where you can download registered Microsoft Office, but I will tell you a simple method and a simple site where you can download Microsoft Office. So here in Google Chrome you will type get into PC and then click. Open this site. This will go to home page. This will take to you home page. Here is search icon. Here I will search Office 2016 and click on go. There are only one search result, so I will search again Office 2018. There are a lot of search result of Office 2018 208. Office 2013 Professional Plus, Office 2016. I will click on this. Scroll down. Full feature of Office 2016 Pro Plus multi-language set, September 2018. Here is setups detail. Here is setups detail. Setup file name, full setup size 3.5 GB or 3.8 GB. Offline standalone setup. So here you can download 16-bit or 32 bits. From this link you can also check how to install the software. This setup goes to will take to you a video in which you can learn how to install the software. So I will click on, my system is 64-bit, so I will click on this download. Here is password is 123. Click download button. Your request file is on the way. So my downloading start. I already start the software, so I will cancel the setup. So now after downloading, you can install the software. After installation, next step is how to register. So for registered, I will tell you a method. Go to my computer, in my case this PC. Go to C drives, go to program files. Here click on Microsoft Office, then click my office is 2016. You need to click your office version, that is maybe 2016, 18, 19. In my case office 2016. I will click on office 2016. Now here you can need to copy this path. Click here and copy the path from here. Control C. Then go to command prompt. Type search here. Click here. Type CMD. Click on command prompt. Here you can write, first of all you write cd/ and then paste the Microsoft Office 2016 link and then click OK. After that, I will tell you a command from where you can download. I will tell you a command. Copy this command, then copy this command. I will put this command in the description where you can download. Go to CMD, paste here, and these start your office for registering. Here my office is registered, and you can also check search Excel. My system is a little bit slow, so it's taking some time. Excel is opening. You can check. This is not asking me for register the software. So my software is registered. You can check my software is registered. So In this video I will tell you how to register Microsoft Office. So I will again request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification of my new video. Thanks for watching.